Fetch.ai, FET, Deep Dive. Is this the future of autonomous crypto? Imagine a future where your devices, apps, and even your crypto wallet work together, learning, negotiating, and making decisions for you in real time. No middlemen, no permissions, just pure, autonomous intelligence working on your behalf. That future isn't 5 years away. It's already being built by Fetch.ai. While most AI crypto projects are still experimenting with models and hype narratives, Fetch has been quietly building something far more ambitious, a fully decentralized network of autonomous agents that can think, act, and transact, all powered by artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. And the engine behind it all, the FET token. In this CryptoPulse deep dive, we're going inside the Fetch.ai ecosystem, what it is, how it works, what's new in 2025, and why so many investors and developers are now paying serious attention to it. This isn't a surface-level review. We'll explore the core technology behind Fetch's AI agents, examine how it's already being used in the real world, and break down the economics of the FET token, including its recent price performance and future potential. Whether you're a beginner trying to understand what AI crypto even means, or a seasoned investor hunting for the next breakout project, this is the video you need. Crypto assets are high risk and not regulated in the UK. You could lose all the money you invest. There is no consumer protection. This content is not financial advice. Always do your own research. So what exactly is Fetch.ai, and why are people calling it one of the most useful AI blockchains ever created? Let's break it down. At its core, Fetch.ai is a decentralized platform where artificial intelligence and blockchain meet, not just for hype, but to create real-world automation. It's designed to support digital entities known as autonomous economic agents, or AEAs, that can make decisions, perform tasks, and even transact on your behalf. An autonomous economic agent is basically a mini AI. It can search for data, interact with other agents, negotiate prices, and carry out services, all without direct human input. Think of it like this: just as Ethereum enables smart contracts to execute logic without middlemen, Fetch.ai enables smart behavior, autonomous logic, to play out in decentralized environments. The FET token powers this network. Agents need it to access services, interact with other agents, and secure the resources they need to operate. And just like gas on Ethereum, FET is required to fuel all transactions on the Fetch network, but with an AI twist. Fetch.ai uses a hybrid architecture. It features a decentralized multi-agent system, an on-chain coordination layer, and an open economic framework, a protocol layer where agents can discover each other, interact, and collaborate in real time. This gives Fetch.ai the ability to simulate real-world economics at machine speed. Agents can make decisions based on local data, act autonomously, and still coordinate through the blockchain. Instead of websites talking to websites, or people talking to websites, we now have machines talking to machines, negotiating prices, optimizing logistics, or finding the best deals, all autonomously. And that's what makes Fetch different from most other AI coins. It's not a single model. It's not an API. It's a full ecosystem of interacting AI agents that can live, learn, and evolve across sectors. If there's one thing that separates Fetch.ai from the crowd, it's this: it's actually being used. In 2025, we're no longer talking about white papers or pilot programs. We're talking about real deployments, real partnerships, and real AI agents operating in live environments. Smart mobility is one of Fetch's most mature applications. In select zones in Germany and the UK, pilot programs are already enabling vehicles to interact autonomously with local parking infrastructure. No app, no middleman, just agents talking to agents. In the supply chain, Fetch agents can track goods, monitor environmental conditions, optimize delivery routes, and even renegotiate shipping contracts based on real-time changes. This creates smarter, more transparent logistics, especially for industries like food transport where timing and temperature are critical. In decentralized energy grids, Fetch agents dynamically trade power between households, EV charging stations, and utility providers, all based on real-time supply and demand. Fetch.ai is also entering DeFi. In 2025, we're seeing early examples of agents that scan lending protocols, analyze yield opportunities, negotiate swaps, and rebalance portfolios, all autonomously. Consumer apps are evolving too. Developers are building plug-and-play modules that let users deploy AI agents inside wallets or homes, handling scheduling, shopping, or asset swaps. This is the early foundation for a global agent economy, and Fetch.ai is positioning itself as the operating system. In 2025, Fetch.ai has transitioned from an ambitious experiment into a major player in the AI plus crypto sectors. Let's look at recent developments. A March 2025 partnership with a leading European telecom is deploying agents to edge computing networks, optimizing bandwidth, load balancing, and predictive maintenance. In the energy sector, Fetch has launched peer-to-peer smart grid pilots, enabling autonomous energy trades between homes and battery nodes. Enterprise AI startups are using Fetch's framework for logistics, procurement, and resource planning, plugging into Fetch's coordination logic instead of building centralized tools. Agentverse 2.0, launched in April, lets any developer, even without blockchain experience, build and deploy AI agents. It supports Python, Rust, and low-code workflows. Developer activity has surged 180% quarter-over-quarter. On-chain metrics show all-time highs for agent transactions and negotiation events. Mainstream coverage is building too. Forbes, MIT Technology Review, and Wired have highlighted Fetch.ai as the most complete AI infrastructure in Web3. And DePIN protocols are now integrating Fetch agents into their own ecosystems, proving that Fetch is becoming an AI layer for other decentralized networks. In a sea of AI-themed crypto projects, why is Fetch.ai rising to the top? The short answer: it's building infrastructure, not just use cases. Fetch.ai supports millions of interacting agents, each independently intelligent. This is more scalable and decentralized than most current models. It's a modular, permissionless system, open to all developers. No API keys. No gatekeeping. And Fetch has real utility, required for access, staking, and operations. It's not just a speculative token, it's a functional asset in a growing machine economy. Narrative strength is also unmatched. AI plus DePIN plus automation plus real-world usage. That's a macro thesis with serious legs. In 2025, Fetch is more than a coin. It's a bet on the rise of agent-based economies. The Fetch token has a fixed supply of 1.15 billion. As of now, a large portion is already circulating. Fetch must be staked for agents to operate, used to access services, and locked up for execution. This creates consistent demand. After explosive growth in 2023, Fetch corrected, then began a sustainable climb in 2024. In 2025, it's trading between $1.60 and $2.10 with rising support and volume. Conservatively, with continued growth, Fetch could rise to $3 to $4 by Q4 2025. In a bullish scenario, especially if integrated by other networks, $6 to $8 is possible. And in a true breakout, with government pilots or mass market agents, $10 plus becomes realistic over 12 to 18 months. Fetch.ai is playing the long game. Its vision is to become the intelligence layer of the internet. Agents will coordinate supply chains, infrastructure, finance, apps, homes, and more, across chains, across platforms. But it's not without risks. Adoption is still early. Tooling and education matter. Scaling will be a constant challenge. Regulation could also become a factor, especially if autonomous logic becomes politically or commercially sensitive. And competition is heating up. Tau, AGIX, and others are also in the race. Yet Fetch's openness, modularity, and focus on machine coordination give it a unique edge. This isn't a token slapped onto hype. It's an ecosystem with deep roots and clear momentum. Fetch.ai isn't just another AI crypto token chasing headlines. It's a fully functioning ecosystem powered by one of the most innovative ideas in Web3, autonomous agents. It's building real infrastructure, deploying real applications, and attracting real developers and partners. The potential is massive. A world where your home manages energy, your wallet manages trades, your business runs itself, all coordinated through autonomous logic. That's what Fetch.ai is making possible. It's early, there are risks, but the upside, it's huge. If you believe in agent economies, if you believe in a smarter internet, then Fetch isn't just worth watching. It's worth understanding. If this helped you get that edge, subscribe to CryptoPulse, where we decode the top crypto narratives, one layer at a time. We'll see you in the next one.